Oh.
And there is only one man who can save the Blizzard of the Blue Man. The Blue Moon. The man with the chainsaw. So, when he was saving the Blizzard of the Blue Moon, the whirlwind came. Everything was absolutely still, and it sucked him in. Only this time the hurricane was full of lots of smoke that kept on going into his nose, but he turned into a skeleton and went up with the others.
Well, how does the Blue Moon get saved?
It doesn't. It's there. And it never was found again. But once there was a fire. The fire was strong, strong, strong. It hit the Blizzard of the Blue Moon up there. And everything stayed absolutely still. Absolutely still. Only there was one person who was who beat the Blizzard of the Blue Moon.
Okay, is that the end?
No.
Oh, darn.
But that girl had problems. They could not see this girl as she walked.
I think she likes the flashlight.
How about the story?
No one could see her because then she turned her back. She walked around the corner. Can anyone see me?
No.
And then she turned her back. But, as she said, she lit something. She actually lit one thing.
Lauren, other end.
What?
Other
That was
end.
the end. That was the end.
Ooh, it's got embers on it.
Yeah, Lauren, put that down. It's going to burn your hand. Sorry. Ruining your story there.
But she burned something. So she went on a search
Watch out, because both ends are
around
circles.
the corner. She couldn't find anything for a
You're blocking my
while.
video.
You don't have to videotape it, Tina. It's not as exciting as it sounds.
Ah, doesn't matter.
But, as she said, she bought something.
She's looking for something.
Something really cool.
Should I kill the light? I think she needs a light.
Yeah. Well, Lauren, stay by the fire, okay?
It's hard to see.
You might trip over something and hurt yourself.
But, as she did, she used a stick and she burnt it.
And there's the stick. Right there. In the fire.
It was so powerful, it hit the Blizzard of the Blue Moon. The curse was broke. But, as she said, She said that there was one monster. No one can see her yet till she's been 10 times.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Wait.
9, 10.
9, 10.
Now stay away from Kristen. Is that the end?
Yep.
And go to where's the mouse?
And the girl gets eaten.
He gets eaten, and the blizzard of the blue moon is saved.
Woohoo! Bye bye!